Masters Rules of Spoken English through Rehan Honor Channel. Rule number 18 of Spoken English. PH, wherever it comes in the spelling of any word, must be pronounced as fa. PH in the spelling must be pronounced as fa. For example, phone, phone, phone. I got a phone call from my friend. I got a phone call from my friend. Graph, graph, graph. Make it a graph for the data. Graph. Phonetics, phonetics. Phonetics is a science of sounds. Phonetics is a science of sounds. Physics, PHYSICS, physics. Physics is an important science in the higher studies. Alphabet, ALPHABET, alphabet. There are 26 alphabet in English. Please note it for singular and plural. Alphabet. Phosphorus, PHOSPHEROUS, phosphorus is an yellow chemical. Phosphorus. Now come to rule number 19. K is silent in some words. We don't pronounce K, though we use it in the spelling. We write it, but we do not pronounce it. Please see some examples. Knife, KNIFE, knife. We write K, but we don't pronounce it. Knee. The elders have the knee pain. KNEE, knee. Then knit. She is knitting a scarf, spinning in a chain stitch is called knit. Knitting factories are plenty in Tirupur. Knot, KNOT, knot. Put a knot in this rope. KNOT, knot. K silent. Knowledge, KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. He has got a vast knowledge of grammar. Knowledge. Knob, turn the knob of your TV. K-N-O-B, knob. We write K, but we don't pronounce it. Then kneel, K-N-E-E-L. There is K, but we don't pronounce it. The Christians kneel in the church while prayers. Kneel. In all these words, we write K, but we do not pronounce it. Rule number 20. W is silent in some words. Some popular words are given. W-R-I-T-E, write. She writes a beautiful poem. Write. W is silent. Writ. He has filed a writ petition in the High Court. W-R-I-T, writ. W is silent. Wrong. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. We don't pronounce this W. We will not pronounce it as Urak, but we must pronounce it as wrong. W silent. Your answer is wrong. Wreath. W-R-E-A-T-H. Wreath means the circular bouquet of the flowers to be offered on the graves of some great people. The Prime Minister offered a wreath on the grave of Mahatma Gandhi. Wreath. Then wrinkle. W-R-I-N-K-L-E, wrinkle. There are many wrinkles in the old people's face. Wrinkles means foldings. Wrinkle. W silent. Wrapper. Put a wrapper to the register. W-R-A-P-P-E-R, wrapper. W is silent. Wrath. W-R-A-T-H. Wrath means serious, severe anger. Don't invite the wrath of God. Serious anger is called wrath. W-R-A-T-H. Therefore, in all these words, right, writ, wrong, wreath, wrinkle, wrapper, wrath. We write W, but we do not pronounce it. Here, we have given some 5 or 6 examples for each rule. Now, it's your duty to find out the English words based on these rules. Practice it.